La habitación 109. Okay. Hello, and welcome to our room at Hotel Parada Puigcerdà, a 3-star hotel in Puigcerdà. This is our room. We have a triple room because we are staying today, both Dumitru and I, and today we are staying with Mark. Last week we stayed with Damian at Yoredemar, and now we are staying with Mark because Damian is staying with his teammates in another hotel. Once you enter, you have a double bed, like this, and another bed for one kid or one person additionally over here. The room is small enough, but it is great because you have space even if it looks smaller. Within the amenities, we have a TV, we have a safe, we have plenty of storage on your right. I already left all our luggages here. There are also additional blankets in case that we will be cold, but I don't think so. And here we have a safe if we want to leave our documents. On the left side, once you enter the room, we have the bathroom. The bathroom is a shower bath. Toilet, and here we have a sink that you can have your time in the early morning or at any time. Within the amenities, there is a shower gel and shampoo. On the first sight, it looks like it is a normal hotel, a normal 3-star hotel, but it is a special hotel. And let me share with you something that you will see why this hotel is special. Because this hotel is right on the train station. This is why it is called Parada Puigcerdà, because Parada from Catalan means station. And we have this side, the view from our room, straight to the station where the train Ripoll Barcelona is passing by. Look how cool is this! And a part of this Puigcerdà is green and it's so beautiful everywhere. The air is fresh and I love it. You can take there because Puigcerdà. You see? We arrived late to this hotel because we had to go with the teammates of Damien and to have all the organization of the process of how we will leave our kids and so on. The thing about this hotel is that the reception closed at 9 p.m. So we had to be on time for the check-in process. But as well, if you want, you can do the check-in process online. I did it yesterday because I received a link from the hotel, and if I wished, if you want, you can uh, add all the information from your IDs, and once you come to the hotel, you just pay it, and you receive the key for your room, which is very comfortable in case you are running out of time. In our case, it worked really well because I just came here, I paid the hotel, and received the keys for this for our room. I saw other people who came earlier just in front of me. They didn't make the check-in process earlier, and they went as well super easy and fast. So it's not an issue at all. Good morning. It's our second day. We just woke up and now we are going to the breakfast. The breakfast is not included in our stay, so we are going to look for another place to do it. But here I wanted to share with you the views that we have from our window. I already shared it yesterday, but the fun fact was that yesterday I saw how the train came here, and we have actually, as we are living on a station here, people are stopping by and going from, so it was super cool to see it. So yeah, very nice, very nice. So let's start the day. We're going to breakfast. See you later.